Alright, you've been following my channel. You know that I dove headfirst into computer science. And I started with a Dell Inspiron 5050 from 2010. And I upgraded to an Optiplex 7010. And obviously still not cutting the mustard. I upgraded to this Optiplex 3050. And I stuffed an RTX 3050 in it. And I put a case fan in the front and gave it its own USB power because the speaker header is where the fan header is, and I got this external doohickey on it. And I'm in Unreal Environment 5 pushing about 80 degrees, so I don't want to do that for long. It's going to cook my 3050. So I have decided to build my own. I've got MSI Z790. I got a i7 12700. I can overclock. I got a 1 terabyte M2. I've got DDR5 at 6000 megahertz, and I have invested in liquid cooling. I got this at the thrift store I volunteer at that helps veterans. I got this brand new in the box for $75, $280 liquid cooler. So I got it mounted up. I got 3 in and 3 out. There's case fans replaced by the Kraken 280 Elite cooler, and this bad boy peeking out. I got 12 gigabytes overclocked, 3060. So quite an upgrade for my 8 gigabyte. I got like 3560 tensor cores versus like 2500, and powering it with an AGT 850 Gold series. So let me know what you think. This is my first PC build. I'm a farmer contractor for the last 7-8 years, and working in sales and culinary before that. So I've never built a PC, but it's definitely going to be an upgrade from this. And that was definitely an upgrade from the Optiplex 7010, which was an upgrade from that Inspiron you see there. So, yep, my home office is slowly becoming a PC build studio, much to my wife's chagrin, but it'll all pay off. And yeah, Super Nintendo Chalmers, I'm learning.